Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to connect your NinjaTrader account to TradingView in just a few simple steps. Before we connect the platforms, you need to ensure the TradingView add-on is enabled in your NinjaTrader account. Log into your NinjaTrader dashboard, click your profile icon, go to Settings, and under the Plans tab, ensure the TradingView add-on is activated. Once that's ready, head over to your TradingView account and open up any chart. Look at the bottom of your screen and click on the Trading Panel tab. Alternatively, you can click the Trade button located at the top right of your charting screen. You will now see a list of supported brokers. If NinjaTrader doesn't show up immediately, simply click on See All Brokers to expand the full list. Scroll down until you find NinjaTrader and click on it. A prompt will appear asking if you want to connect a live account or a demo account. If you're just starting out, testing a new strategy, or using a prop firm, I highly recommend selecting Demo to practice safely. Next, enter your NinjaTrader username and password, double-check your details, and click Connect. Wait just a few seconds for the platforms to sync. And that's it. Your accounts are securely linked. You can now execute trades and manage your positions directly on your TradingView charts using your NinjaTrader account. If you found this quick guide helpful, please drop a like, subscribe to ClearTask, and turn on notifications for more simple and professional trading tutorials. See you in the next one.